Hey friends, join me today as I make some small changes that instantly refresh my home. Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. I just made myself a hot cup of coffee. It tastes so good. It's my coffee house coffee that I share with you all the time. I have some laundry going, as you can probably hear. And I thought it would be fun today to take you along as I make some small changes in my home that give it an instant refresh. So if you're getting those winter blues and you want to make some changes, I have some ideas that I love to do that instantly change up a space, starting with curtains. I love doing this. It's such an easy and affordable way to change up a space. I actually have some new curtains coming. They're supposed to be delivered today. For my kitchen breakfast area. Wait till you see the ones that I got. And then I'm also going to hang these up. I have these in my dining room and I had these in my bedroom, and I think I'm gonna put them in the living room, which I recently shared with you. So we're gonna start with that. Just a few other easy ways to instantly refresh your space in affordable ways. So I can't wait to take you along. First, I'm gonna wash these. They were sitting in a basket in my basement, so they kind of had that basement smell. So I can't wait to throw these in the wash real quick. Have you guys heard of laundry sauce? It has become my latest obsession. I have been so excited to share this with you. I am officially hooked. One of my favorite things is my laundry actually smells like perfume. It smells so good and not detergent. And the fragrance is so elevated. It actually lasts. I love it on my clothes, on my towels, on my freshly washed sheets, and it lingers throughout the home. I wish you could smell it right now. It smells amazing. I also love how easy it is to use with these pre-measured pods that also work in HE machines, and it just feels good knowing that the product is made without a bunch of harsh ingredients. I've been using the laundry sauce detergent pods along with the in-wash scent boosters, and everything comes out clean, fresh, and soft without that overpowering laundry aisle smell. Even Wayne and my kids have noticed, which says a lot because they don't typically comment on laundry. My twins are going on 16 and they like to smell good, and they are obsessed with it now too. Right now I'm using the Australian sandalwood. You guys, it smells amazing, but you get this little card so you can smell all the different ones. And I think my next order, I think I'm going to get the Egyptian rose. It smells really good, but I also love the French saffron too. If you've tried laundry sauce before, let me know what your favorite scent is. So if you want to elevate something like doing laundry every day into a little luxury moment like I do, I can't recommend laundry sauce enough. Thank you to Laundry Sauce for partnering with me. If you want to elevate your laundry experience, you can scan the QR code on screen or head to the link in the video description. Use code MOTHERTIME15 to save 15% off laundry sauce products and enjoy that luxurious laundry day feeling. The curtains smell so fresh and clean. I love it. I wanted to just show you a little before along with the cats. How many do we have here right now? We have Obi, Tinbit, and Dumpling. So here I have, thankfully it's sunny, but don't let the sun deceive you. It is really cold out there. But you can see this is just with the cream curtains, which I do love. I love the pleating on these. Very affordable curtains as well. But just adding a little pattern will just freshen up the space. So let me show you how it looks when I change these out. Here again is a look at the before that I actually shared with you in my last video when I decorated this space along with the shelves. It's so funny because I refer to the space as the back of our living room, but it's actually the front of our living room. This window looks out to the front yard. So I'm going to simply change out the curtains from the pleated curtains to these beautiful floral curtains. And it's just a simple and easy change that's going to give the space a fresh new look. And here again is the before that looked very pretty and cozy. And with the change of the curtains, made this space oh so cozy. The one other change I'm looking to do is replace the chair next to the window with a wooden rocking chair. So hopefully I will find one at the thrift store too to add to the space. Look who I finally have. She didn't show up in the last video. This is Cupcake. She's our little kitten, our newest addition. Number 8, she wants to get down. But I didn't get to show you in last video. But I finally got her to show you in this video. I'm also going to change the curtains in our kitchen. Currently I have these cream color curtains hung, and I found these beautiful check curtains that I thought would be the perfect addition to the space. I do think I changed the curtains in the space a lot, but that's the fun of it all. It's an easy and affordable way to freshen up a space and give a space a fresh new look. Last year I had some floral curtains hung here for a little bit that were very, very pretty. And once I found these curtains, I just knew that was what I wanted for this space. I thought it was just going to really give it that coziness that I was looking for. And once I had those panels hung up, I was so excited to get the rest of them hung. Now, I do like to take my steamer and steam the curtains too. And that just gets out those wrinkles and just makes them really drape nicely too. Here is a little peek at the progress. So you can see with the cream color curtains versus the check curtains, what a difference, right? So just that little change really is freshening up this space. And I think sometimes we put so much pressure on decorating our homes, like every change has to be big or expensive to matter. But honestly, some of the most impactful updates are the simplest ones. My next little update that I like to do is with pillow covers, an easy and affordable way to freshen up any space, and they're easy to store too, and they're easy to change seasonally. So I have this pillow cover that I'm just switching out for the pillows that I had there before to freshen up the space. But I am playing for a minute. I grabbed these pillows that I have in the living room that I have extras upstairs just to kind of see and play. But I end up putting the pillow back that I originally had decided to do. And then I'm going to change out the centerpiece too. So I'm going to be playing here for a minute because I really didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I have this new wicker tray that I found. Isn't it beautiful? She's a beauty. I love it. But I'll give you a little spoiler alert. It's not going to stay here. But I'm just playing around. Grabbed one of my ironstone pitchers because I wanted to bring in a picture. And then I found these beautiful faux hydrangeas. They are gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I like the green here because it's still February. I have some white ones for, once spring and summer come. But for now, these are beautiful, beautiful. And they're just perfect for now if you want a little bit of floral, but you're not ready for like the florals yet. These are so pretty. And look at how pretty in this ironstone pitcher. But I'm going to change them out and put them in a crock. Like I said, it was just having some fun, taking some time and enjoying the decorating process. And changing florals is another easy way to freshen up a space. Swapping out curtains, adding a lamp, painting one small piece, those little changes can completely shift how a space feels, and you don't have to do it all at once. I really believe decorating should be enjoyable, not overwhelming. It's about paying attention to what feels good, what works for your home, and making small updates as you're able. You don't need a full makeover or big budget to freshen up a space. Sometimes it's just one thoughtful change that makes your home feel cozy again. So for my next change, do you remember my Sharpie shiplap here that I had for several years when we did this? And then in December, we painted it and added this molding. We hung the molding like this over the Sharpie shiplap for a simple change. Well, wait until you see what we've done now. It has got to be my favorite. I love it and I cannot wait for you to see it. We took beadboard and you can see Wayne is using his air compressor gun to hang it up. And then he painted it alabaster, which is the color that we use primarily all throughout our home and on our walls. And it was just a few hours and instantly changed up this peninsula in our kitchen and not only freshened it up, but just really freshened up the kitchen too. So by simply painting a wall or even painting an accent wall, hanging some board and batten or some beadboard, it's an easy, affordable project that doesn't take a lot of time and can totally freshen up a space like this. Another easy and affordable way I love to freshen up a space is with lighting. These are lamps that I got for the entryway. I shared these lamps also in my last video too that I added in my living room. I love them so much. They're just that perfect classic lamp. So I'm just putting them together to take into the entryway to add on my entry table there. But I also love sconces too, and battery operated sconces or hanging candle sconces is such an easy way to add a little pop to the walls. I used to have a lot of these farmhouse lights hung in my house that were not even wired, and then I just had some battery operated lights in them, if you remember years ago, because I just love the way it looks but also adds that coziness. Now they have all of these battery operated sconces too, so I have been loving them as well. I have some in a few of our bathrooms, and then I just got another set for our entryway. So here are the ones that I got for the entryway. They're so easy to put together. And then you have these light bulbs. Now, this is a little different than the other sets I had because the light bulbs actually are like magnetic. So once you put them in, they kind of like really stay on. They're rechargeable. They come with a remote, different lighting settings too. You can also dim them. Super easy to put together. They don't take any wiring, so you just hang them up. Wayne's going to hang them up easy, took just a few minutes for our entryway as well. So I just love what this does to a space. It freshens up the space, but also adds that mood lighting. Lighting is just such a key element for decor, just really kind of adds that coziness. Look at how cozy the space looks. I love these here so much. And then again, it comes with the remote so I can play around, and it also has a timer too. Absolutely love these. Love these so much. And then I also have this thrifted wreath. It's a little heart wreath for Valentine's Day, since it's Valentine's Day right now, that I just hung on the door. That's actually to the guest bathroom there. And look at how pretty. Such an easy way to update a space with the lamps on the entry table along with these sconces that I hung up. I hope this gives you a little inspiration to look around your home and see what you might already have that could make a space feel fresh again. It doesn't have to be perfect or finished, just comfortable and, most importantly, lived in. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you got some decorating inspo for your home as well. I love making just these simple, subtle, easy, and affordable changes can give a space a fresh new look. So easy to do and just freshens up the space, whether you're changing out curtains or pillowcases, switching out lamps, or adding a fresh coat of paint. Did you love that paint? Adding the beadboard and then the paint. What a transformation. Was so easy to do. It was a half-day project, easy peasy, and just freshened up that kitchen. I love the way that turned out. So let me know what your favorite in this video was, and let me know what you love to do in your home to give your space a fresh new look as well. Now, I also wanted to show you one other thing. So in the last video, and in case you missed it, I will link it in the video description, we did the shelves right here. And I had this open space, and I was unsure if I wanted to add something because every time I added something, it kind of looked like too much. And that was the one space that when I took something down, it looked like, okay, I have it right. Well, I did find one thing the other day at a local shop, and it is this cute little bunny. Now, of course, he's perfect for spring coming up, but he just looks very cottage-like too. Isn't he cute? I found him at a local shop, and he's also the perfect addition to that space. So I love him there. So if you thought I needed something in that space, like most people did, including myself, I have now found the perfect thing for that space, because I didn't want to do another candle because that just kind of looked, as much as I like symmetry, it was like just too much. So anyways, I couldn't wait to show you that cute little bunny there too. You can also follow me on social media at Mother Time. You can check out my blog at mothertime.com. And if you enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you never miss any of these videos. Okay guys, thanks again for hanging out with me here today. I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye guys.